You tell Daddy, ah. Daddy, why are you late? We've been waiting for you for 2 hours. What took you so long, my Daddy? Tell Daddy that, okay? What will you say to Daddy? Daddy, why are you so late? Okay? Okay, my sisi? Huh? What will you say to Daddy? Daddy, why are you late? Why so tagal? We've been waiting for you. Gusto makipagkwentuhan yung baby. Opo. Ang tagal naman dumating ni Daddy. Kanina ko pa siya gusto makita. Sabi ng baby. Sabi ng baby. Ang gusto na makita ang Daddy. Ay, kamukha mo ba si Daddy? Huh? So, tagal naman ng Daddy. Ang baman yan eh. Ang baman yan eh. Kanina pa ko hintay eh. Yes po. Ay, nagtatamsak na siya. Galing ah. Okay. You can do that, baby. What's stopping you, anak? Ha? Ay, Daddy, so tagal. Pag-uwi, maliligo pa. Daddy, what happened to you? You're so tagal. It's been 2 hours. We've been waiting for 2 hours. Ha? Pakita ko to kay Daddy, ha? Okay, say bye-bye. Oh, say bye-bye, Daddy. See you, Daddy.